Alright guys, we're gonna play some Teardown. I've played this. I've been playing this a lot, so, and the full campaign is here. We have sandbox, new maps. That one looks fun to destroy. Oh Dad, that's your car. Wait, that's your house right there.
No.
It got destroyed.
No.
Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go to mods. I have so many. It takes a little bit to. I think it takes 2 minutes to scroll down, kind of. I don't know, but it takes me so hard to find something. But ow, I am gonna do one in the sandbox. This one sounds fun. Looks fun. By the wallpaper. By the. Okay. Ooh, we're in a jungle. Sticks. Go in the ocean. Whoops. Eee. Okay. My table goes into the water. I don't like anything that's here. Ugh. Tires, yeah, we don't need those. Okay.
Well, you put a hole in the dock.
I don't care. Huh? Yeah. There goes that radio. Oh, wait. It's static. Oh no, get off. Oh, I can't pick up that. Uh-oh. I better get out. Ooh, a ladder. Ooh, this looks fun to shoot. Okay, that's a little loud. I'm gonna use my shotgun. Way better.
Well, guess we're not going up there.
Oh, it fell into the water. Whoa, I don't want to go into water. I'm too cool to go into water. You see anything? Oh, there's, I see a house. And like that. Ooh, a boat. Well, let's see if we can go sink it, Dad. If we shoot it, then it'll for sure sink. Bomb. Oh, for sure sink it.
Well,
I sank it, Dad. See?
there goes the boat.
I feel bad. I didn't do it. Dad
It
did
looks like
it.
a nice boat too.
I didn't do it.
Oh my word.
I didn't do anything.
No.
I would never do anything, right?
No.
Oh, one of the lights burned out. Totally not me. I'm not doing anything. Pipe bomb. Pipe bomb. Oh dear, I gotta get out of here. Ooh, bomb. This seems fun. Ooh, right here. It's a tank. Better be extra careful.
Jeez.
Yeah, destroyed it. Ooh,
You've
wait,
only
is
been here like 3 minutes and the place is almost completely destroyed.
I put. Oh.
That's Kaleb.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna eat. Ooh, hey, yeah, here, oh dear. I'm leaving. Jeez. Am I crazy? Am I crazy, Dad? Ah. That's a little loud. Okay. I don't know if this turns down the volume for you guys, but it totally does for me. Okay, can this? Okay, that'll for sure do it. See, it just needed a little work.
Yeah.
Who should I use my physics gun, Dad? Huh. Ooh.
Forklift.
Ooh. Seems fun. Ooh, lantern. Destroy it. Didn't know that. Okay. Okay, guys, it's just me. Okay. Is there any way that we can do this? Ah.
Okay.
Oh. I didn't do it.
Okay.
Ow. Driving out of here. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, I have an idea. Break this. I want to get up. Doesn't matter. Ooh, I can see. Oh, there's something up there. Get up. There. Can I? Oh, blowtorch. This will totally not cause a fire at all. This blowtorch. Yeah. Is this somebody's bedroom? I want to destroy their bedroom. Hey, Dad, is this being helpful, destroying their bed?
Probably not.
No, it's really helpful.
They're gonna come home and go, what happened?
Yay, I'm destroying everything. Sorry, lights out for you guys. I have a plank, so I can board the way. Oh, I'm gonna do this, so that way they can never get out ever again. Seem fun? I need my physics gun, so that way they don't shake. Like that. Okay, I can't even fit. Okay, there we go. This seems fun to terrorize. Oh dear. I'm getting hyped up here, Dad. Ooh, I have a Mahdi weapon. Totally did not mean to do that. Okay, so it says Z to change. We'll do that. Oh, this seems fun. Doesn't do anything, but I mean.
Fire extinguisher.
Ooh. Wait, does it? That did something, but. Ooh, I have a vacuum cleaner. Okay, this PC needs it's kind of dirty, right? So let's vacuum it.
Oh.
Whoopsie. I even ripped the wall.
That is good.
Ow.
Good vacuum.
Oh, and watch this. I can suck it out.
Oh, that's totally cool.
Everything. Does anybody want this painting? This. Okay, there we go. There. I'm gonna go into the swimming pool. Oh, I wanna suck up this boat. Oh, if I could, that'd be great, right, Dad?
Yeah.
Everything come to Mom. Everything come to Dad. Seems like a tornado out here. It's just everything's flying everywhere. Is this the place that I destroyed? I don't think so. Ooh. I'm gonna use my blowtorch to get in. Secret holes. Okay, there we go. Get in. I'm pretty secret, right? Nobody can ever hear. Ooh, leaf blower. This'll blow things. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, is there anything that I can do with this? I don't think so. But I will plank this up since it's kind of broken. Nobody's allowed here. It's the most secret engine room in the world. Okay, like that.
Well.
Oopsie. Looks like I'm never being here ever again. Okay. I'm gonna move on to some. Ooh, a mega gun. Too powerful.
Whoa.
I think I knocked out 2 trees. Thunder gun? Nothing fun I want to do. Ooh, this can make fires with wood. This'll make some fires. Yeah. Ooh, a fire locator. Okay, so there's fire. Wasn't there a fire down there?
I don't know.
I think there was. Ooh, a portal gun. We'll do that. And then we'll do... we'll put it right... Ooh, over here. Okay, can you get out of my way? Thanks. Okay, like that. Okay, there. Now we can do that. Okay. I fell out of ceiling.
Mhm.
Okay, I can do this. Ooh, I fell out of there. Huh. It's my secret engine room. Wait, where did I come from? Oh yeah. So go straight. Yay! I didn't realize I was doing that. Ugh. I'm banging your door open. Put a bomb. I didn't do it. Totally not me. Oh dear, I need to get out of here. Ow. Ooh, this seems fun. Ow. Ugh. I'm going in. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. There we go. Thing is taking forever. Dun, 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 dun. Here comes me. You can go down. There we go. Okay, can we go up, please?
Oh.
Oh no. I fell down in an elevator. I wonder what happens if I like this.
Well.
Now I know. Hey Dad, does it seem like a good day to go boating?
Yes.
Even with this on your boat?
No. No.
I'm gonna go driving. Ah! Ooh, I have a map. I think I knew that. Okay. We'll do this. Ooh, I want to knock down a tree. That did nothing.
Because you're stuck in it.
Ah. Oh dear, I need to get out. Okay, I need to go mining for some resources. Ow. Bum, 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 bum. That'll give me some stone. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, we'll
Do
put...
you have like a jetpack on or something?
Yeah, I can't look at myself though. Unless you guys know, if I can. If I can, then tell me in the comments, okay guys? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Ooh, I wonder what these do. Dad, do you know what these are?
No.
It looks like it's not flammable, so. Seems fun. Oh dear. Also a little dangerous.
A little bit.
What? It's a little dangerous. Wait, burning down a tree is fun right here.
Easy, easy.
What?
Too much shaking.
Oh yeah. I didn't do this, Dad. I didn't do this. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Right. Okay, is there a flat spot? Ooh.
Does it say subscribe?
Whoops. Like. Shut up.
Subscribe, everybody.
Subscribe to my channel. If you don't.
Oh, you're so funny.
Alright guys, I think that should be it for this episode. So yeah. Bye.
See you guys. Peace.
Yep. I think I should end the video with a big tree falling in the water. Okay.
Perfect.
Bye guys.
Bye.